Hooke's law of elasticity. Hooke's law is a principle in physics that describes the relationship between the force applied to a spring or any elastic object and the amount of deformation, or stretch, compression it undergoes. It states that the force, if needed to extend or compress a spring by a certain distance, x is proportional to that distance. Mathematically, it's written as Fkx, where F is the force applied to the spring, K is the spring constant, a measure of the stiffness of the spring, unique to each material. X is the displacement from the equilibrium position, how far the spring is stretched or compressed. The negative sign indicates that the force exerted by the spring is opposite in direction to the displacement, which is what causes the spring to return to its original shape. Applications of Hooke's law. Springs and shock absorbers. Hooke's law explains how springs in vehicles compress under weight and then return to their original shape, providing stability. Engineering and construction. It helps engineers design structures that can handle specific stresses without permanent deformation. Medical devices. Used in the design of some prosthetics and orthopedic braces to maintain proper elasticity and support. Look at these few examples. Limits of Hooke's law. Hooke's law only applies up to the elastic limit of the material. If the force applied exceeds this limit, the material may deform permanently or even break, meaning the law no longer holds.